Take 92,000. Alright. Hey ladies. What's up everybody? I'm Megan. I'm singing. I haven't exactly gotten a hello yet, so forgive me if it's constantly changing and strange and all that jazz and yeah. But anyway, hello. And if you're still watching this, I love you because I am rambling so much. So, anywho, today, one thing that I talk to a lot of people about is that nobody knows how to blow dry their own hair. I'm going to show you how to blow out your hair to get it straight and hanging nicely, but also get some volume up in here while using Velcro rollers. Now, the thing that I started out with was I put some Moroccan oil in my hair, on my ends, and then I put some mousse in my roots. Now, when it comes to blow drying, don't be afraid of the blow dryer, because that is the #1 issue that a lot of people have with blow drying, curling, flat ironing, all of that. They're afraid they're going to get burned. Alright, first we're going to start by blow drying the hair upside down, because we're going for volume since we're using Velcro rollers. And when you blow dry upside down, that gives your hair some lift so that it falls over with some body instead of flat against your head. So, if you can see me, awesome. All I'm really doing is turning upside down and blow drying right up here in the roots. So. So, what I'm going to do is put these Velcro rollers in up here. So, I'm starting with the back section. I'm basically just taking right here all this hair, and I'm taking the bigger one, and I'm overextending my hair just a bit this direction, because once we take it out, it will fall with that volume. And then just so that I can walk around, I normally take a bobby pin and connect it. So, bobby pin, and just slide it right down there in the bottom. And there's the first one. I'm going to take the other big one, put it on this side, but leave my bangs out. So see, section about that wide. You don't want your sections to get any wider than how wide your Velcro roller is. Alright, so these two, this one's going to go over on this side. Again, I'm leaving out the bang area. Alright, and this extra one, I'm going to put in this back corner back here, just to connect everything. Now, what I like to do is take the hairdryer, blast a little heat to them, and then just do my makeup, do everything I need to do before I'm ready to go out, and then I take them down, and once I have done all that, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, So, as you can see, some time has elapsed and I have makeup on. And I actually just did a tutorial on that, so it's for my Valentine's Day look. So once that's up, I'll link it somewhere in here so you can see how to do this. But we're trying to do volume in the hair. So we have these, and now I'm gonna take these out. See how much volume I've already got compared to what I had? Look at the bangs and look at that. Take some hairspray, just some light hairspray. Spray it so it has some holes. And then if you want to do some teasing in it just to let it stay longer, that's sometimes what I do when I'm going to work and want to wear it like this all day. But for now, I'm leaving it like this. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it was helpful. And if you have any extra questions about it, just leave me a comment. I will be happy to respond in the comments, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!